Welcome.
So thank you very much for coming to our first interaction with the Investors Opportunity Day. On behalf of Thai Rayon Public Company Limited, I am very pleased to welcome you all. And this is our first time that we are presenting our performance to you all. And we hope that we will be able to do it every quarter going forward. The results have already been informed to the Stock Exchange of Thailand, and now I will request Mr. Sipani, our CFO, to share the details about our company to you, and then maybe some question answer as you may have. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Agrawalji. We welcome you all to this presentation, and we will take you through our story of consistent profitable growth. Thai Rayon was incorporated in the year 1974, and we started our commercial production in 1976 with a small capacity of 27 tons per day. Over the years, we have grown significantly. We listed ourselves on the stock exchange in 1984. We became a public company in 1993. We set up a natural gas-based CS2 project, carbon disulfide, which is actually a ancillary material for producing rayon fiber. We set up this project in Saraburi in the year 2008. Today, our current capacity stands at 421 tons per day, or 151,000 tons per year, and we have 5 production lines. Our registered capital is 201.6 million baht, and we employ 1,032 people. And our total revenues for the year 2010, ending 30th September 2010, were baht 10.54 billion. And proud to say that we are part of the pulp and fiber business of Aditya Birla Group, which is a multinational group originating from India. I'll talk a bit about Aditya Birla Group, a few key facts just for your information. We are a 35 billion corporation in the league of Fortune 500 companies. We are operating in 33 countries. We employ 133,000 employees as a group, which belong to 42 different nationalities. Very happy to say that we have been adjudged as second best employer in India by Aon Hewitt in 2011, and we've also been listed in top 20 best employers in Asia Pacific by the same organization. Globally, we have significant presence in several businesses, and some of them are listed here. We are one of the most cost-efficient producer of aluminium and copper, and we acquired a global aluminium manufacturing company called Novelis, which is one of the largest in the world. We are the largest producer of viscose staple fiber, 4th largest producer globally of insulators. We are world's #1 producer for carbon black. Recently, our group acquired Colombian Chemicals of US. We are 5th largest producer of acrylic fiber, 7th largest producer of cement globally, and we are among the best energy efficient fertilizer plants in the world, which we have in India, Indo-Gulf Fertilizers. A little introduction to our pulp and fiber business. I'll start with the plantation first. We have a plantation for future pulp production in Laos, in which Thai Rayon has investment. We have pulp manufacturing facilities in Canada, 2 companies, AV Cell and AV Nekavik. and we recently acquired a pulp manufacturing facility in Sweden called Domjo. As fiber business, we have manufacturing in 4 locations, in 4 countries actually. In Indonesia, we produce 550 tons per day. In Thailand, in Thailand, we produced 376 tons per day with one line producing a specialty. And if we look at our normal production without specialty, we can produce 421 tons per day, which is 151,000 tons per year. Birla Jingui in China, we produce 197 tons per day. And in India, we have 3 manufacturing locations producing 915 tons per day. And these locations are Nagda, which is in the central part of India, the state of Madhya Pradesh, Harihar, the southern state of Karnataka, and Kharach, which is a very industrialized state of Gujarat in the western part of India. In totality, we produce 2,038 tons per day of fiber. Here is a goal from our chairman for the group. Our goal is to become $65 billion group by 2015 from $30 billion today. And our chairman expects our company to contribute significantly to this growth and earnings goal. Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla is the chairman of Aditya Birla Group and also the chairman of Thai Rayon. I'll take you through our vision and mission for the pulp and fiber business and Thai Rayon. Our vision is to be global leader in man-made cellulosic fiber industry. With 21% market share, we are largest producer of viscose rayon fiber. Our mission, we aim to create superior and sustainable value for all our stakeholders, maintaining the largest market share in man-made cellulosic fiber industry globally through innovation in products and processes, excellence in quality, service, people development, and focus on environment friendliness in all our activities. We, the future. In the next few slides, I will explain our business performance, financial performance. Our total revenues since 2006 have grown by a CAGR of 14%. The total revenues for the year 2010 stood at 10.54 billion baht. As you would see in most of the years in 2009, there was a bit of a blip because of the financial crisis of late 2008. Our sales value has grown by a CAGR of 18% from 5,086 million baht in 2006 to 9,886 baht in 2010. Our sales volume has grown again by a CAGR of 12% from 80,837 tons in 2006 to 125,500 tons in 2010. And export sales volume has grown by a CAGR of 19% from 39,800 tons to almost 80,000 tons in 2010. Thai Rayon has been a significant exporter of our products globally, and we established our presence in global markets since a couple of decades. Our net profit for the last financial year ending September 2010 stood at baht 2231,000 million, baht 2231 million, which is a record profit in the last 5-6 years. It has grown by a CAGR of 29%. This is based on our separate financial statements, and as per net profit as per equity method has been 3,041 million baht in 2010, which has also registered a CAGR of